Okay guys, so today we're going to speed up any Android box, and this will work for old and newer Android boxes. Okay, so if you are looking to speed up noticeably any Android box, you've come to the right place. You might have watched other videos that have other tips and suggestions that may or may not have worked, but this is something that you probably have not seen before and will make the most dramatic difference. Okay, it's easy. All you have to do is change the keyboard that the Android box comes with, and we're going to be changing to the Google keyboard. Okay, and so to do this, you're gonna open the Play Store and you're just gonna search for Gboard. Okay, that's Gboard. That's Google keyboard. Okay, and it's right here. It's the one right here. I already have it installed, but you would have to go ahead and install that. And then you're gonna go into your Android box settings, in the keyboard settings, and you're gonna select not the one that the box came with, but you're gonna select the Google keyboard. Okay, and then there you can do things like change the theme in the settings. In the settings here of the keyboard, you'll be able to do things like change the theme to dark and do all your other standard keyboard settings that you would like to change. Layout is over here. Okay, guys, so this tip will make the most difference in speeding up your Android box. Way more than any other suggestions you've had, and it will work on any box. Enjoy.